Welcome to my channel Easy Tulu Learn Tulu Language Online. In the previous video we have learned pronouns in Tulu. In this video we will learn noun declensions in nominative and accusative case. First one is nominative case. The suffixes used are a and o. The suffix a is only added to masculine singular nouns ending with a vowel. For example, take the name Rama. In nominative case, it becomes Rame. The suffix o is added only to neuter singular nouns ending with a vowel. Example, Mara. In nominative case, it becomes Maro, but it depends on dialect. In common Tulu, there is no suffix added to neuter nouns, so both Mara and Maro can be used. And there is no suffix added to all other nouns in nominative case. Also, all the pronouns we learned in the previous video are already in nominative case, so we don't have to add any suffix to them. Yanu, Nama, Enkulu, E, Nikulu, Iru, Imbe, Aye, Molo, Alu, Akulu, Mokulu, Ar, Mer, Au, Undu, Aikulu, Nekulu. Let us learn few sentences in nominative case. Rame batte. Rama came. You can see here Rama becomes Rame in nominative case. Mara or Maro burned. A tree fell down. Appalettal. Mother called. Akulu poyeru. They went. We have not added any suffix to the words appe and akulu. So a suffix is only added to masculine nouns ending with a vowel, and o suffix is added only to neuter nouns ending with a vowel, and for all other nouns there is no suffixes used. Aye vari buddhivante. He is a clever man. Here we added the suffix a to the word buddhivanta, as it is a masculine singular noun and ending with a vowel. And its female form is Buddhivantedi and a plural form is Buddhivanter. Next example is Undu Mara or Maro. This is a tree. Aru Dever. He or she is a god. Next one is accusative case. Accusative suffix is n. We have to add the suffix n to the nouns in accusative case. Before proceeding further, let us learn oblique case forms of pronouns. So we already know the pronouns we learnt in the previous video are in nominative case. In oblique cases, these pronouns will change slightly. Oblique case forms of pronouns. Yana becomes Yana in oblique case. Nama is Nama only, no changes. Oblique case form of Nama is same as nominative case. Enkulu becomes Enkle. E becomes Nina. Ir becomes Ire. Nikulu becomes Nikle. Imbe is Imbe only, no changes. Also Aye is Aye only in oblique case, no changes. Molu becomes Male. Alu becomes Ale. Akulu becomes Akle. Mokulu becomes Mokle. Aru becomes Are. Meru becomes Mere. Undu becomes Unde or Ne. Au becomes Ave or I. Nekulu becomes Nekle. Aikulu becomes Aikle. These are the oblique case forms of pronouns to which we have to add suffixes in different cases other than nominative. Okay, coming back to accusative case, we have to add the suffix nu to nouns and pronouns. So enna plus nu, enna nu, me. Nama plus nu, nama nu, us. Enkle plus nu, enkle nu, us. Nina plus n, nina n, you. Ire plus n, ire n, you. The same way, nikle n, you. Imbe n, him. Aye n, him. Mole n, her. Ale n, her. Akle n, them. Mokle n, them. Are n, him or her. Mere n, him or her. Unde n or ne n, it. Ave n or I n, it. Nekle n, them. Aikle n, them. This is how the pronouns will change when used in accusative case. Now let us learn few sentences in accusative case. Rame Ravanan Keriye. Rama killed Ravana. Here we added the suffix na directly to the word Ravane. Amma enan letter. Mom called me. Akkulu tudin kadatter. They crossed the river. Aye maranu katte. He cut down the tree. Yan alen kadapudiya. I sent her. Okay, that's enough for the day. In the next video we will learn noun declensions in other cases. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. Also, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button to get notification on my latest video lessons on YouTube. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Happy learning, and we will meet again in the next video. Bye.